How to use Twitch offline. Using Twitch offline typically refers to one of the three things: appearing offline while you are actually active, watching content without an internet connections, or customizing your channel for when you are not live. So first thing, if you want to appear offline on Twitch, you just want to open up your Twitch app, click onto the profile initials at the bottom right corner of the screen, click onto the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and there you want to go to set presence. So you just want to go ahead and look for these options. So when you go to this section, you want to make sure to toggle the invisible mode on, and that's how you'll be able to appear offline on Twitch. Next, if you want to set offline screening for your channel, you just want to go to the settings and click on create a dashboard. Next, you want to go to the menu bar from a right corner of the screen, or just select channels from the list and go to the brand section. When you go to the brand section, you then need to scroll to the video player banner and upload an image or resolutions of that, and this way you'll be able to set offline screening for your channel as well. So this is how you'll be able to use Twitch offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.